Hello everyone, you're welcome to BOYItech Academy. On this video, we'll be dealing with parapet walls. It's a continuation of our classes.
Okay, so we'll set it at the height of the overhead course. So from there now we can be able to, since we are maintaining 150, you can just go directly and click on this property and select 150. You don't need to go back again and do another floor. But if you still want to change the material, do everything, you can still click on it and then go back to edit, go back to duplicate, and then for 152, and then you can go there and then edit the thing that you want and go and then create new floor material. You name it floor 2. So floor 150, let's say floor 152. Still come and use another material. Come and use one material, for instance. This is another option. So from here now, see our house, we're completing the house now, we're making progress now. So from here now, what we are expected to do now is, let's do our parapets. Yes, our parapets. So where is the direction of our waterfall on this floor? Let's just check it. So the roof plan of this particular building, you can decide to partition it into two. This one should go like this, this one should go like this. You can decide to push it back completely. Okay, so for now, for the sake of the design, I think which design are we doing? I think we should go with, let's divide it into two. Let's go with it. Or let's just do the two and let's choose which one we want. Okay. The first one is, let's just click on this particular wall, this wall, stand back. That's this wall here again. Click on this wall. And then we should give it what? We should give it the height of 1005. How many course? Around 4 to 5 course or 6 course there. So this is higher. That's the level we are talking about now. This is our parapet wall. Now this one now, we can decide to extend it and decide to terminate it. Anyone can work. You can terminate it here. This one will just go like this, then this one will stop like this. You can terminate, let's just terminate it. Let's click on it here. Let's use this particular click. This. So now you can get like this. You can click on here. So you can bring it back to 0. See it here, and try to make it. So for this one now, what will happen? We'll just extend entity boundary. Yes. So that we can just fill it up. This here. Understand? Okay. What we're having now. This is what we're having. So are we together? particular roof style we can go about it. There's decking. Here we push down, just do the roof like this. But still we're having a challenge here. This wall, texturally, we have an issue here. Because if we are raising this wall now, this rafter that is coming here will not have a way except you are putting water connector, then you channel it here again and continue. Or how do you see it? Yes. So this one I'm focusing on what? I'm focusing on training how to use the CAD. What is equally important, we discuss architecturally what it will work. This is how I do my design. Yes, if I have challenge, I will sit down and weigh the options and see how I can go. So you can try to split here and then half, let the roof is contemporary, not contemporary, but go like this. So it also makes sense here. But for now, let's just, okay, you can still leave it like this. This one will come like this and then it will fall like this. This one will come like this. It will still work. Yes. So now what we'll do is, let's go to that new concrete fascia. Concrete fascia. I will not be discussing much on concrete fascia in this particular video, because I've done a detailed video on generic models, how to use them. So I will not be repeating it here. I'll just go straight to a point and do the concrete fascia. Then click on edit texture, click on component, go to model in place. If you want to learn how to go about concrete fascia in the different types of generic model, it's already there. Let's go down to generic model. Just click on generic model, click on OK. So let's click on, that's the extrusion blend. I'll make a detailed video on all of them, how to use it. So now we're going to use sweep. I said it in that previous, I'll click the edges. I said it in my previous, in that video that I've dedicated for the generic model. I said it in SketchUp, we call it follow function, follow me function. Let's do 600. Because the slope is definitely coming. We don't know the slope. Later, if you don't match it right, you're going to go and edit it. So finish OK. It's actually very simple. Now let's come back to the top here. And let's come to architecture. Let's create overhead cost. Yes. So now we can use this to here. Let's pick it. Yes, let's pick it. Come here, we're having a projection. Normally the thing will not just lap perfectly at the concrete fascia. I'm having a projection of 100 millimeter, so you can see it like this. So you can use this one now to finish it up. So I'm starting with this one. So I've made a video on roofs also, so you can do it by checking it. So this roof now, I've said it, the slope that we are thinking to go about, or the floor that we are going, the slope, any place that you're not expecting slope, you just highlight it, just click on it. I think you can just highlight complete here, yes, and then define slope. It's not defined, you just remove the define slope, not defining slope here. And even here, not defining slope here, so you just click on here. So okay, we're having okay, we do not trim here properly, let's trim it properly. Let's trim it, use our trim tool. Let's finish and see. Okay, that means there are places that we have not trimmed it properly. Okay, save the project. Okay, so we are seeing a line here, but this is how Revit is to do. Anything that you are doing that is not workable, Revit will tell you pop and clear that this thing you are doing is not workable. But on site, you can still manipulate it too. You see, we're having two different this slope, they're two different. So you can click on here and define the slope. Let's click here and click here. It's already a slope 30. So let's make it like 4. And let's see. Let it come down. Okay, are you seeing it? So I'm having it here like this. So these are broken fascia. These are this. So now what to do is we're going to edit this particular wall. Okay, this particular wall to stand here properly, and then this one we're going to finish it and come and cover it here. So even this one now that we're doing presently, so this is another option that we are doing, this particular roof. We can decide to use this one, we can decide to use our normal roof, and we can decide to what also use another style of the roof. But now what will happen is I'll be making another video that will discuss another roof, so that we can be able to get the different tricks on how to go about it. So I'm trying to open us to challenges, because this is how you are going to go about it. It's very user friendly Revit, but at point in time you'll be facing with a lot of challenges, understand that? So this is how you're going to know how to go about the challenge. Yeah, in normal roof you're going to edit this roof. Everything is just about editing, inputting your data, what you really want. Still make it every time. Let's just reduce it. Let's come back to this. Go back to material, create new material. Sorry, new material. Then you right click. Something is working here. Okay, let me go back, please. Something is working here. Let me just go back and start it again fresh. So let's click on it now and then go back to edit. Okay, you can leave it as 10 so you can be able to see it. Okay, come here, plus sign, create new material. I click rename roof. Go here, come to appearance, sorry, yes, come to roofing. Okay, but here you cannot find, okay, you can find under roofing. Under roofing, these are different layers of roof. Let me just use this material, this stone coated design. Finish it here. Okay, okay, you can see it's changed now. So let me click on here and let me shift it small. See that? This is how to go about it now. You have put your roof